was it the first car that I've got any memory of. But I've actually got a picture somewhere where an 11-year-old me is taking this engine apart and rebuilding it for the first time. You see, the thing is, my dad, I guess, realized at a very early age that I had a love and a passion for everything mechanical. And when this car broke down, he decided that my summer vacation would consist of me removing this engine from this Golf GTI and rebuilding it completely on my own, which I did. He was only giving me some pointers and he taught me everything that I know. So I was inaugurated when I was 11 years old into car mechanics, and I've never looked back. I've always been in love with it. The other thing is, this is the car that I drove when I got my driver's license. I got my driver's license in this car and I drove it for many, many years after that. And it was highly unreliable. It was breaking down on a daily basis. My dad had always been modifying this car and putting other cams in it and eventually drilling out the sleeves and putting in larger pistons and so on. So it was extremely fast always, but we were always blowing gaskets and losing clutches and so on. But it was my dad's car and it was his pride and joy. And a couple of years back, someone T-boned my brother in this car, but we decided, instead of letting this car go to GTI heaven, we would resurrect it one more time. And my dad had the body rebuilt at a professional body shop, and we decided then that we would make this car into a kind of a reimagined version of what I think a Golf GTI would look like or would be if they had to make a comeback. So guys, when we replaced the heart of this engine, we decided that we wanted something that was extremely fast, but we realized we wasn't going to make the fastest Golf in existence, because there are many Golfs out there that's got some serious wicked power. We wanted to make it fast and reliable, so we decided to put in the G60 engine off of the Volkswagen Corrado and upping the power by about 50%, and couple that with a 6-speed gearbox off of the Golf Mk1. But then we went a step further and upgraded the pulley for the supercharger and put in a massive intercooler and also an aftermarket fuel management system